Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is another mod which I will be doing for my Tata Tigor. Lately I have been looking for fog light bulb upgradation for my Tigor, but I even planned for to install the projector fog light, but the cost of that total setup was going into the 10 or 12,000 if you want a good quality fog light. I contacted to the Blaze India motor basket, which were quoting close to 6,000 to 7,000 for 55-watt HID kit with a good quality projector. So I came across this LED bulb from OSRAM. So first, this is the package I received from them. So let's do the unboxing. So this is the OSRAM LED HL premium bulb. It is a 6000 Kelvin light temperature and it is a 25 watt. So here you can see the comparison between the stock light and the LED bulb. So the package looks good. Now the cost of this package is around 5,500, but I got this for 3,300 rupees from Amazon on sale. It is the latest manufacturing. So the box looks quite good and premium. It is original, so no such issue. Let's open this box as well. So inside box we get this small Allen key, then these two zip ties to tie up the wire for neat setup. Inside this we get this manual, the type of bulb connection available with this H1, H4, H7, H8, H16, H11, HP3. So I believe there are two types of bulbs they offer. This one is for I guess H7 and this one I don't know the connection type. These are all the instruction and this is the instruction manual for this type of bulb. So let us have a look on this detail. Here you can read all the details of this LED driver. This is the stock connector. They have also given the positive and negative connectivity related information. And this is the actual how fog light will look. It is a metal in construction. It looks plastic. Actual LED. So quality wise it do look good. So let us go to our car and install this. So let us see the output of stock fog light. I turn on the parking lamp and this is the stock output from inside car. Let me show you the output from outside. So this is the throw. This is the output from outside. You can see. So let us change to the LED and let's see how it performs. So this is the stock fog light bulb, which is the OSRAM H70 19 watt, and this is again the OSRAM but it is a LED one. So I'll just keep both the bulbs side by side to differentiate for the dimension. So first I'll install the bulb on left side and I'll show you the comparison between the stock and the LED. So here is the output difference between the fog light. This side I have installed the LED, which you can see, and on this side it is a stock fog. So from here you can see the difference in light output. So right side is a stock fog and left side is a LED. And this is the difference in the light output. The distance between my car and me camera is around 6 meters. So let us install the light on both the side and I'll show you the final output. So this is the inside installation. You can see fan running. So I used the two-sided tape and mounted the LED driver at the plate inside it. Did some adjustment for fog light height, and this is the output. This is the preliminary output. I'll go into the some dark place and I'll show you the final result. So let us see the output of these LED fogs. First I'll start the LED fogs. Now the low beam in which I install the HID, and this is the high beam. Now I'll turn off the LED. So this is the light output of HID plus fog. I installed this 5500 Kelvin HID 55 watt and these are the 25 watt. So the output difference is quite good. This is the light output from long distance. Now this is the output with a low beam projector with a 5500 Kelvin 55 watt HID kit. The beam pattern, you can see the area between the car bumper and this low beam cutoff. This one is 12 to 15 feet. Now when I turn on this LED, this complete area gets covered. So our low beam output ends over here, and the portion between the bumper edge to low beam, which is around 15 feet, is covered by these LEDs. So this is the high beam. This is the low beam, and this is the LED. So any Tiago, Tigor, Harrier, Safari or Nexon owner, I'll definitely recommend to install these LED bulbs in their LED fogs. It will definitely improve the output. If you install these in your low beam projector, the light output will be this kind of bright white 6000 Kelvin. You may face issue during the rain or foggy season
because 6000 Kelvin will be too much and it will not able to penetrate. But if you are not living in much foggy area like a Maharashtra or western or eastern region or southern region where the fogs is not that much prominent, then I'll definitely recommend to install these fogs. So this is the mod which I did. Let me know your comments and feedback. Thank you very much. Good night.